This cake is absolutely amazing. I really love the texture, the flavor, the combination of lemon zest and lemon curd. It's fantastic. You will definitely love it. All the ingredients you will find in the description box. Just click down below. Soak poppy seeds in hot boiling water with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Bring mixture to the boil in saucepan for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down at room temperature. Sift flour into mixing bowl, add sugar and cinnamon and whisk until combined. Combine on liquid ingredients in glass jug or mixing bowl, whatever you have in your kitchen. Combine baking soda with lemon juice. And now we combine our dry and liquid ingredients and mix it up because we don't want to have any lumps into our batter. It's very important, just mix it very well. Put cake batter in a lined baking pan and preheat the oven to 100 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to bake our lovely cake. Bake the cake until the toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool at room temperature and then grease it with lemon syrup. It's actually not necessary, but it's very delicious. And now it's time to make our lemon curd for decoration. Into coconut milk, add vanilla and lemon zest and mix well until combined. For the vegan lemon curd, we need a lemon juice. Squeeze out the lemon juice from lemons. Add sugar to coconut milk mixture. Mix cornstarch with almond milk until combined. Bring mixture to the boil and cook until thickened. Add yellow food coloring and mix well until combined. After you add a food coloring, add lemon juice and mix well and let the mixture stay at room temperature until it completely cools. Now our lemon curd is ready to use for our cake. Decorate our cake with lemon curd and lemon zest and whatever you want to add. Also, you can drizzle your cake with melted white vegan chocolate, just a little bit of yellow food coloring, and it will be very nice. If you like our video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to see more interesting videos in future. Bye bye!